guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And today's kind of a sad video. Not really. Well, I'm going to be showing you guys probably what's going to be my last Boxycharm, at least for a while. I have had it for a year, and I'm just like very like stocked up on products right now that I just want to use up and like actually like use and enjoy. I don't want to be wasteful, so it's kind of sad for me because I do like Boxycharm. I wouldn't be canceling if it wasn't because I already have so much product. Probably in the future I'll go ahead and get it again, but for now we are just going to unbox my last one, which is March. And not only that, I'm also going to be showing you guys what I got along with my Boxy PopUp. And I did go ahead and stock up a lot with my Boxy PopUp back in February, and I barely got it. I'll get to that right now. So I already knew, like, I already had in the back of my mind that I was going to cancel just because I don't want to be wasting products. So when Boxy PopUp came up, I was like, I jumped on it and I got lots of stuff. It did take forever though. I'm gonna say I was a little worried and sad that I didn't receive it until like a month later, but finally I got it. And then shortly after that, like 2 days later, I got my March Boxy. So let's just go ahead and enough with the talking, let's just get into it because I don't want this to be too long. I'm gonna start off with what I got for Boxy PopUp. I'm gonna try and go through them real quickly because a lot of these I have tried and I really like it already. But as I go through them, I am going to be saying which ones I do want to make like a review on because there is something in here that I want to make a review on. Ah, don't fall now. No. Alright, so I did go ahead and pick up 3 of the Hank & Henry, what is it, the Slick With It Blickety Black Felt Tip Aligner. I did receive this, I believe it was like in the September Boxycharm, and I recently just ran out of it and I was like, oh, where are you in my life? So I stocked up on 3. I also went ahead and stocked up on 3 of the No Problem Pore Blem Prime Essence, the one from Touch and Soul. 3 of these. 1, 2, 3, and I still have the one that we got in our box not too long ago because this I was taking care. I was using it very sparingly, like just when I really wanted to use it for like very long wearing makeup or night outs or whatever. At least for me, like I know a lot of people it wasn't working for them, but for me personally it does work. I still have plenty of my first one, but I just wanted to make sure that I am stocked up for whenever it is that I do run out of that. We're going by 3s here. Also, another thing that I got in 3s, I already opened one up. It's actually in the drawer because my face needed, I've been breaking out so bad, and I noticed that it started to happen right after, a little bit after I stopped using this when I ran out of it. It's the Tula Skincare, the Acne Clearing and Tone Correcting Gel. I got 3 of these. Also, again, I opened one up already because I was so desperate in like using it right away. I don't want to get up and get my other one right now, sorry. But it looks just like this, and it's cute. I got this in a previous Boxy PopUp. Also, I just got one of them. I was like, let's try this out. I fell in love. So this time around, I had to pick up 3. I don't know if you noticed, but, well, maybe not right now because I have makeup, but I have been breaking out a lot. And I really think it's due to when I stopped using this, so. The thing that I really wanted to try was this Perricone. Is that how you say it? Perricone MD No Makeup Instant Blur. It's a primer, and it says it blurs and it minimizes the look of pores, dryness, wrinkles, and fine lines. So of course I want to try it out. Oh, something came out with it. I guess the instructions. Let's just put that back in there. So I never tried anything from this brand, I don't think. So it's just like a little compact. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, cute! It has a little spongy sponge. Do you open this up? You open that up. So it's cute. I am excited to try this primer. I'm not gonna use it though. I'm not gonna start using it until I probably finish with my e.l.f. It was something cute that I saw and I was like, might as well throw them in. These little hair clips, like little barrettes. Then we have this, a big boy. This one was like, I don't know, it retails for a really expensive price. And I got it for, I think, I don't know, 70, 80 bucks, but I know it's like over 100. It's like 150 or something. So I was like, yes, definitely, yes. It's the PMD Personal Microderm Vacuum Suction thing. This one. So it looks just like this. And I know, and it tells you all the directions on the back. This one, I do for sure want to do a review or like a how to use type of video because I've never used one of these things before. I don't know, I have like a lot of like things on here that I want to like test out. I want to like suck out my dirty pores. I also saw on Ulta's website their 21 Days of Beauty. One of their days I think is going to be having this on sale. So I'll try to have that video up beforehand. So if you're thinking about getting this one, maybe my review can help you or something like that. So I'm excited to try this one. And then finally, last thing in my Boxy pop-up is this swell bottle. So excited to be using. Okay, let's open her up just so you can see how pretty she is. She comes in a bag. How gorgeous. I was so excited to like, it sounded like it does have something in it, right? A piece of paper. Yeah, okay. Let's just stick that in there for now. I'm super excited to drink out of this thing like ASAP. I don't know, I've never had like a cold water bottle like this. Well, actually, I lied. When I was little, I used to have like really cold water bottles. I had a really cold one that was Lisa Frank at some point in my life. But anyways, as an adult, I wanted a cold water bottle. Okay, so I got myself this swell and in this little cute little print. That was all for Boxy PopUp. Let me just real quickly put everything back in the box so I can have this area clean so I can move on to March Boxycharm. Like I said, I'm going to be canceling my Boxycharm because I just am overloaded with products. And of course, it feels like free products. Like if I'm getting them for free or if I'm receiving them in a giveaway or something, that's different because I'm not paying my money to get those products. But because Boxycharm, I am paying for it, I'm going to just lay off of that for a little bit. Free price, I still accept. Let's go ahead and open her up. And this is what it looks like right there. It came with no card this time, which I find very strange. It's the very first time that I don't receive a card, like, you know, the card, you know, like the little card that it comes with and has like the theme on the front that has like the list of products with the prices and the description on the back. It didn't come with one of those this time around. It's the first time that has happened to me, but I did hear, and I have been hearing from other people that they also didn't receive a card this time, or they didn't receive a card last month or the month before that. So that's very strange. Boxy, what's going on? I'm going to begin with my choice product, which was this one. It's the Sutra Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. I'll just take it out of there. It has a cute little bag that it comes in. And I think there was only one color that it came in, so let's see. Oh, use the Boxy 25 for 25% off Sutra Beauty. Isn't it so cute? It's a pastel yellow. Like a little mini, like, I guess good for like traveling or like touch-ups. Pretending I'm curling my hair. Next product, this one is the Pharmacy Berry Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This one says it was made exclusively for Boxycharm. And it says, let's see, a pink cherry scented version of our best-selling green clean cleansing balm. Let's see, that's true. I need to smell it now. Oh God! It comes with like a spatula. Do you see that? How cute is that? That is adorable. I'm just gonna take it out. I'm gonna try and open it. Help! I need help. Oh, got it. Just kidding. Ooh! I want to eat it. I know I shouldn't, no. And it's so cute. It's pink. Everyone knows I am obsessed with pink. This pink in particular. It does smell really good. Definitely has the cherry scent. Okay, let's close her up. Gently massage onto dry skin. Oh, onto dry skin. Oh. Gently massage onto dry skin for eye makeup removal applied to closed eyes. Rinse with warm water or wipe off with a damp washcloth. Oh, so I've never tried like a cleansing balm, especially not one like you put on dry skin. Next item, just reaching out of the box, is this Cella. I want to say that's how you say it. Tweezers. I don't know, why did I get a pair of tweezers? I feel like I kind of don't want to take them out of there. I mean, they're cute, but I already have a pair of tweezers. And these ones, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I might just give them away to someone that I know. Filler products, that's what they're called. I feel like they just threw that in there just because. Anyways, next product here, I have the Becca Ultimate Lip Definer. And this one is in, let's see, Toasty. It looks like a pretty color out of the packaging. She does look like this. Let's see, it's a lip liner. Ooh, really pretty. So it looks just like that. It kind of matches my shirt. I could have worn this today, actually. It is retractable, so you open and close. On the other side, though, it has something. What is... Well, it has a sharpener. That's the sharpener end right here. I know that for a fact. That is the sharpener, this right here. But what is this? Like, I've never seen it on, every time I open it, okay, there. It's flexible, kind of, sort of. Is it to like, when you put on the lip liner, is it to like, whatever that's called, to spread it around? I'm gonna put it with my other lip liners right now. It has a new home. Oh, darling, you don't even fit. See? Oh, there. Now you fit. There, no problem. I just had to make space. I just had to move them around because they're like this. This is pretty packaging. I don't want to throw away like the actual like this though, because it's gold and it's shiny. It attracts my attention so much. But I can't keep it. No, throw it out. You can't be a hoarder. And then a last and final product for my box is this one right here, the eyeshadow palette. This is the Hank & Henry Living in Color palette. The only Hank & Henry product that I've tried is that felt tip liner. Looks just like this. I already took out the protective plastic thingy. It is 9 shadows, matte and shimmer. I haven't swatched any of these either. I want to save it for another video. I want to do like either a get ready with me using this palette or maybe a multiple looks. Using this palette, this is another one that I have on my list of things that I want to do. I'm leaning more towards that, multiple looks, because I know a lot of you on here actually do that. And I really enjoy watching those multiple looks because it gives you an idea of like how to use that palette more than just one way, or like maybe not your so typical way. But anyways, that was all for this video. My Boxy pop-up that I waited forever to receive and I finally got it. And also my March Boxycharm. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not already, give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.